What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. I'm just going to give you a rundown of what I'm expecting. So I did enter on this down candle here as we traded into this fair value gap on the low time frame and this breaker. So this swing high is a breaker, so I made sure to buy below that, and then I also bought again in this fair value gap because price offered it. So if we drop to the 5 minute, you'll see that fair value gap which I originally wanted to trade in, but you see how price disrespected it and now we're struggling to get back through it, and then we dipped lower, so I thought I'd buy again. Now this white box that we traded into, just for some more context, is a breaker on a higher time frame, on a 4-hour time frame actually. And what you'll see is we got a expansion, low, high, low, low, broke higher. So this is the breaker. So as we traded into that, I was expecting price to react nicely away from it. Finally seeing some movement after, like, when did I enter? 10:15. It's been pretty much an hour, 2 hours, coming up to 2 hours anyway, but we're finally seeing some movement as we enter the afternoon session for New York. And yeah, we do have some medium impact news at 12. I do believe there is some kind of Fed speech, so that will be interesting to say the least. In fact, let's close out half our position. Let's close out some of our position here. 75. 131. What's half of 131? 65,000. And then what we can do is we can sell there. So that's half of our position closed. Plus, we've got our protective stop. Our protective stop loss is in a position where we've already profited. So yeah. So as you can see, price traded higher quite aggressively at 1 PM, and then it traded into a fair value gap that I had delineated in red. I did close out my position at this point just because, you know, I was in the position for nearly 4 hours, which is ridiculous. But yeah, I hope you found this insightful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.